Edge control did not work, but anyways. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Taisha, and if this is your first time tuning in to my channel, welcome everybody. So yeah, for today's video, I'm going to do a beginner friendly, easy, simple, the easiest makeup tutorial you'll ever see in your life. Yeah, this is that video. So I wanted to come to you guys with a pretty quick and simple holiday basic everyday winter wallet video. Yeah, so stay tuned for the video. my camera stopped, but all I did was blend out my concealer, which looks hella bright right now. I'm gonna go back and like tone that down. I'm not sure why it looks so bright, but yeah. So I'm gonna just mix the translucent. I'm gonna just mix the translucent powder with the banana powder. Now I'm gonna just cream contour just to bring, you know, some color back into my face since I look pale and bland right now. So I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F16, and I'm just gonna use the LA Girl Concealer in Toast. I'm gonna just use this Real Techniques buffing brush just to like buff all that out or whatever. And usually I would just use the other brush. I know y'all don't see me use that brush a million times in my videos, but I'm gonna try this out today and see how this goes. So I've been back using my Pond's because I usually have really oily skin, but the Pond's really works for me because sometimes my skin will get a little dry, as you can see like in this area of my forehead. So that's really why I've been back using that, and it actually works. For some reason it's not really working right now though, but I feel like that's just because my skin has been extremely dry in this one area, and I have not figured out yet what it is that I need to do to get it to act right. So we're gonna proceed. I want to do smile lines right quick before I forget all about that. I'm just gonna take my bronzer and bronze up. Y'all know. Well, actually, y'all don't. I'm gonna just, whatever. I'm gonna just take my bronzer and warm up all around my face. And with my e.l.f. blush palette, which is my absolute fave. And I pretty much just dabble in all the colors, to be honest. And yeah, there's that. My eyelashes. And today I'm going to be using the Eyelure 126s, 126s, whatever. Outside of the Jasmine Brown Eyelure lashes, these are definitely a fave, a go-to. Before I found the Jasmine Brown lashes, I was wearing these. So yeah, oldie but goodie. My favorite eyelash glue is this IMB Mega Hold individual lash glue. Here's the thing. I love this lash glue because it has the best hold. My lashes stay on all day. I don't have to worry about one of them coming up at the end, like whatever. Here's the thing though. The gag is it doesn't want to come off. It doesn't want to come off at the end of the night. Like, and I hate that. Oh, and it also makes the band on my lashes super hard. And it's like I can't really reuse the lash after I use it, so I'm not going to be using that today. So I'm just going to go with this Salon Pro eyelash glue. And go back over my eyebrows. You can really just do this part with whatever you like. A lot of people use highlighter, a lot of people use glitter, whatever you prefer, pretty much. I'm not using highlighter today, so, or am I? Not sure. I feel like I was going for a pretty basic, kind of simple look, and it doesn't necessarily have to have highlighter, a mega lip. But yeah. I think for today I'm just gonna go all over my face with my Sephora powder and 56 neutral toffee caramel. So this Fit Me and Mocha 360. This one, as you guys can see, is a little bit darker. So this one is usually my go-to. I think I'm gonna mix Velvet Teddy with this Tarte lipstick as well, just so I'll get the perfect nude that I want to, and this is Beach Babe. I am back. My camera died, so I didn't get to like show you guys like me actually finishing my makeup, but all I did was the lip gloss, and I went back and sprayed my, hold on, I sprayed my Morphe setting mist all over the face, and I kind of tapped in just a little bit of highlighter like on my nose, here, a little here on my chin, and that pretty much finished off the look completely. I did change. I put a top on finally, got all my clothes on. And yeah, that pretty much is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Hopefully I helped somebody today in this beginner friendly holiday makeup, everyday makeup, to be honest, because there's like not much going on here at all. But yeah, I'll be doing a glam holiday makeup video really soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.